Did you know that you can earn money just by listening to songs? Listen to one song and earn $3. Listen to two songs and earn $6. Listen to 10 songs and earn $30. As you can see, I have already won $1,649. It's a great feeling to earn money by listening to songs. Listen carefully to the steps I will show you in this video, and watch the video without skipping to understand it better. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. First of all, we go to the pixabay.com and enter the music section. I put the link of the website in the description. You can see royalty-free music here. All music is free, and there are no copyrights. You can download and use all the music here as you want. When you scroll down, you will see that there is a lot of music you can listen to. You can select the music you want from here, or you can search for a genre you want from the search section. We download a music we like from this website and move on to the next stage. As you can see, you can earn money every second, just like these people. These are the website's payment proofs, and people keep withdrawing money constantly. Imagine that you listen to 100 of music every day. You will be able to earn thousands of dollars a month. In addition, you will listen to music, which is an activity that you love both while making money online. So get your laptop or phone ready, because I'm going to tell you now how you can make money with these music. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. Turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a video. As you can see, there are thousands of music on this page, but we will not download any of them. I have some secrets and tips that I will give you. This way you will be able to earn more money. I enter the chatgpt and ask what is the most listened type of music in the world. As you can see, it says that the most listened genre is pop, and we will download pop music using this information. We come to the genre section on the left and choose the pop genre. As you can see, there are thousands of pop music. We select one of them that you like and download it. In the next step, we enter upload for ever.com from the link I put in the description. The working logic of this site is as follows. We upload a music to this site, and if someone wants to download that music, they have to watch ads. This site also gives you some of the money it earns from advertising, and thus you make money. You will earn $3 because most of the music you upload will come from Tier 4 countries. If they download your music from a Tier 3 and Tier 2 country, you will earn $4. If they download from Tier 1 countries, which is the United States and Canada, you will earn $7. As you can see, the money they pay you is quite a lot. As you can see, there are many ways to withdraw your money. From here, you can select the desired withdrawal method and withdraw your money to your account instantly. And for many withdrawal methods, the minimum withdrawal limit is $1, so you will be able to withdraw your money immediately. As you can see, there are many ways to make money on the site. Today we are trying the method of making money by uploading music. You can also earn 10% from the earnings of each user you register on the white side. So I registered 93 users by sharing my link on social media platforms and made money from them. This is my dashboard. I've already made $1,649 by uploading music. And these are proofs that I have withdrawn money before. As you can see, I keep getting paid all the time. Let me show you how to upload music to the website now. We are clicking the Upload Files section on the left. We click on the Choose File button and select the music we have downloaded to our computer. As you can see, it was loaded in seconds. After uploading your music, set the price of the music by clicking on the pen icon. I set the price for this song as $3. When someone wants to download this song, I will earn $3. You can do this by uploading as many songs as you want. Don't forget to register to the site from the link in the description section. That's why it's so easy to make money from this site. All you have to do is listen to music and upload the music you like to this site. Remember that the more music you make, the more money you can make. If you want me to show you how you can make music and earn money with artificial intelligence in my next video, please write it in the comments. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you like our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.